All right, hey, it's Locksmith. Okay, so went out to the van, didn't have any here inside the shop. Get a battery. Let's see if this was a good $20 spent. I've got other means to test remotes, but if I can make it simpler for me, I'll be happier. All right, we're on. Oh, let's see. Here's a remote that we turned around and did. Just wish this thing would have came with instructions. Huh. Well, let's take a look. Well, that ain't gonna work. I don't have a freaking battery in there. Way to go. So positive side. Positive side down. Turn around and put that in. Like I said, we don't sit there and we'll make the video as we're doing it. Turn the remote back on. Got nothing. And that's a rebuild one that we have. We hadn't tested it, so we were gonna put it out yet. Let's see if I've got all right. Nice. I think I'm gonna like this. Some of you might complain, you know, you spent money on that, could have done it with this, could have done it this way. I know. But do you want something simpler? Do you not have to pull out some of your bigger machines? It's along the lines of, we're in it to make money. The quicker we get the job done, the better. And also, this will be something that I can take when I go meet with individuals, if I'm buying or trading. I do a lot of trading services with other business owners. One, it just helps out, and also I'm building a relationship with them. But now the one thing I will do is, we've got well, that's a shell, so that ain't gonna work for anything right now. Let's see. Let's grab one of the new ones that came in out of this delivery. That's a good way to just check your product. Yeah, I'm happy. I just gotta watch. We've got some of my competitors in the area that I'm operating my company out of. We thought we were actually charging decent prices, comparable to everybody else. Then we do, I don't like saying it, you know, repeat business, you get a discount, but we treat them nice. You'll get your customers that will actually, I've got one customer I've done 4 jobs for in under 6 months, and he's also passed it on to where I picked up 2 others. So it comes and goes, but you want to treat them special. Everyone of your customers need to be special, and you should make them feel special, whether it's just unlocking them, doing a rekey, or duplicating the key for them. Make them feel special. Go that little extra mile. But I had enough of a little rambling on here. But thanks again for watching old Locksmith. Let's go ahead and be safe out there. Go ahead and hit that like drop us a comment, an email, if there's something you agree with, don't agree with, or something you'd like to ask us. Let's go ahead and be safe out there, and thanks again for watching.